Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to see recently watched videos on YouTube. Now, if you're on YouTube and you either saved it to watch later, or you watched it and you wanted to go back and see that history, I'll show you how to do both options. Now, on your iPhone, Android, or computer, open the YouTube app. Once the YouTube app or youtube.com is open, tap on You at the bottom right. Next, you will see history here, and I can swipe through and see the videos that I've just recently watched in the last day or two. To see your whole history, just tap on the history button. You can see all of your history, including videos or just your shorts history. Now, on any of these, tap the three dots to the right of it, and you can choose on here, remove from watch history, if you wanted to remove it. You can also tap on search and search for something, whatever you want, and see if there's a video that pops up with that search. However, keep in mind on here, if you tap on the three dots at the top right, you can choose clear all watch history if you want to delete all of it, and hit clear all watch history. Now, next we'll tap the back arrow at the top left. And on here, instead of that, you can see playlist, saved, or watch later. If you saved it essentially in the watch later playlist instead, you can just go in here, tap the three dots to the right of it. You can choose to remove it from watch later, or you can just tap on that video and choose to play that video directly again on your iPhone, Android, or computer. I hope this helps. If it did, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like it. Thanks, guys.